Hello, Wayne. Mr. Waindrop is here to inspect the storm drain for trash and pollutants. When it rains, the stormwater doesn't go to a water treatment plant. It runs through these drains, and it takes that nastiness directly into our ponds and rivers. Good luck, Wayne. Wayne, what do you see?
Grass clippings, motor oil, cigarette butts, lawn fertilizer.
Pet poop? All that nastiness kills fish and turtles and other water life. Then it makes that water hard to clean for us to drink. Clean up your act. Recycle your motor oil. Compost your grass clippings. Put your butts in an ashtray. Use the smallest amount of fertilizer your lawn needs. And when Fido goes for a walk, bag it. So remember, if it rains, it drains. Learn more about stormwater by visiting uaex.edu/stormwater.